I'm sure you've found yourself in a situation where you accidentally deleted an app from your iPhone, and now you're trying to find it again. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily locate deleted apps and get them back on your device. Follow the steps, and in no time, you'll have all the apps you need again. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of new tutorials I upload. So, the first thing you need to do is go to your home screen, find the App Store app, and open it. Once you're in the App Store, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. Right after that, you'll see several options. Choose the Apps option. After doing this, in this section, you can see all the apps you've downloaded from the App Store. To find apps you downloaded and installed but currently don't have on your phone, tap on the Not on this iPhone section at the top of the screen. Now, on this page, you can see all the apps you've deleted. You can swipe left to hide the app, which will remove it from this list. If you want to reinstall it, simply tap the cloud icon next to the app, and it will re-download to your iPhone. And that's all for this tutorial, friends. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you very soon in my next video.